Okay, we're going to be looking at Flet Charts today. It's within the Flet package. There's some information on how to install it. There's these available charts. I want to use the pie chart. The link is broken. There's some examples. We can look at the pie chart examples, and let's get started here. Okay, I'm going to start with a new project. I'm liking to use UV. I'm going to init a new project, and we'll use Python 3.13, and we'll call it pie chart tutorial. I'll switch directories into this new project I created with UV. I'll add the packages Flet and Flet Charts of the basically blank Python project, which we're going to import Flet first, and then after that we'll import Flet Charts. Okay, it's not finding it, even though I just installed it. So I'll make sure I select the virtual environment that's within my local directory. Now the linter is not, it's finding Flet, the package, but FT is imported but unused. That's okay, because we're going to use it right now. So page is a variable name, and it'll be of type FT page. And we will start it here. And this FD run does pass the page onto the main function here, and that's how we are receiving this page. Let's give it a shot here. Okay, it's installing some packages. And we have our application running right there. Let's install the charts package. Okay, so the linter is finding Flet Charts now because it's looking in the correct place. And we just need to use this FCH, which I'm using for the variable for Flet Charts. So this is, we just imported it. It's Flet Charts. And we're going to use the pie chart. And within the pie chart, we'll have a few sections. It's like a slice of a pie, a circle that's divided into two portions. So there's the FCH pie chart, which is the big one. And then there's the FCH pie chart section, which is like a slice of the pie. And we'll set a color here. And we will add the chart. And it's a circle like this. I'm going to set the radius to 80. Radius 80. We'll see how it looks. The hot reload. it's controlling the percentage of the radius here, and I'm kind of liking this system right here. And let's apply a title here. A little small, right? So we want to make it bigger, but if I mouse over this, the title style is a text style. So maybe it's better to define the title style. Maybe I'll put it, well, we don't need to add this hello world. I'll put it right above the chart definition. Normal title style equals ft.text style, which we know from just looking at the inline documentation. We'll make the size 32. Be a white 54. Make it bold. And this is the pie chart, right? We'll assign it to the normal title style that we just created. Right. So this normal title style is right there. We just set up the size of it. Let's see what it looks like. Pretty nice. Let's create another pie chart section. I will copy this. I will change the color. Maybe light blue. Say that it's 65. Make the value 65. And we'll use the same style. Looking kind of regular. So on this layout, I think I'll place some text here on the left, and I will leave this here. So I'll push this to the right a bit. I'm going to set up some text. Say that it's maybe like geographic distribution of attendees as possible title. And we'll add the chart labels in. We'll put in a row, ft.row, and then the controls will be a list. The first one is the, what do we call it? Chart labels. and sequence chart. Okay, kind of the chart kind of disappeared. Okay, there's an expand on the chart itself. We'll try to put the expand through on the chart, and we'll see whether it. Oh, there it is. Okay. So there was no size specified for the chart, which is why it went down to 0 and you couldn't see it. So we've got this geographic attendees. Make it a little bit bigger. I will split it. I'm going to copy it. I will paste it. We'll split it over 2 lines. We'll see how it looks. Looks pretty good. We have the controls for the chart column. I'm going to create a row, and the rows also has controls. We'll have an empty list of the controls first. Nothing there, but we will put down, for example, maybe rest of world. Okay. We'll apply that size, some text size here, 24. And we'll make this other one 24 as well. Maybe rest of world's not clear. We will put Asia. And size will be 24. Okay. Put a spacer here. d.container width equals maybe 30. Some space. And we'll have a fd.container. This is for the color, like that little square that will signify that it is which value it is. So container is width, maybe we'll make the height 30 as well too. And the background color, 50.colors. I think it's pink, right? We'll make the USA 35 attendees and Asia will be 65. The conference was held in Asia, this example. Actually, I think I'll maybe push it in. I'll just wrap this row that has everything on it in a container. And the container has padding, so we'll apply it. Okay, it looks pretty good. Go add another feature to this. I'll put a normal border in. 50 dot border side, 3 pixels, 50 dot colors dot gray, maybe gray 300, a bit lighter. And then we'll have hovered border, 50 dot border side. We'll make it thicker, that is emphasized, and we'll go 50 dot colors dot maybe we'll just try red for now. Maybe a lighter red. Let's see how it looks. Above the chart, put def on chart event. You'll receive event E of type F. Flet Charts dot pie chart event, and we'll shuffle through the different sections. The index section in enumerate, which is from normal Python, and we'll have the chart. The sections. And then for every time through it, idx is equal to e dot section index, then we will section dot border side will equal the covered border idx equals e dot section index, else normal border. Try it with else section dot border side will equal the normal border. Let's set up we'll find the chart. And the chart has an on event property. We'll assign it to the on chart event. So it puts a little bit of a, maybe I'll make this border thicker. Too thick. Pretty good. Pretty good. Yeah, I think it's okay. Let's copy this. And we'll have it hover title style. And we'll make this one even bigger. Let's see, 48. Okay. So this if statement, we can also do section dot title style equals hover title style. If ID x similar to the above equals e dot section index, else normal title style, and then down here where we're setting it back to the normal border, we can also set it to section dot title style equals normal title style. Okay. Yeah, pretty good. Kind of like it. I guess you can make some text appear here to describe the breakdown. Hi, thanks for finishing this tutorial. Just wanted to point out we have this 100% free course. There's no upsell. We're just using this to organize the curriculum, and you can use this to download this particular course code. And it's actually in chapter 13 here, which is why it's a little confusing. That's why I'm showing it to you this way. So this video here is the video that you're watching right now. and then the download is right here. So you just press this download and you'll be able to get the code for this tutorial. And then additionally, if you have problems, there's this little discussion tab here, which you can create a new post. And if you're having some problems with the tutorial, we can try to help you out.